Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For this episode we're going to be doing this unboxing of this Atlantis kit. One of the ones I went over that I got for Christmas. It's a tanker truck, fuel delivery truck, Oregon Chief. Comes with these two figurines. We'll get right into it. Actually, let me get this over here so I can cut the packages open. We'll get the box opened up. This is a small scale kit, 1/48 scale, so I'm pretty excited about that. So there's your box art. This is the first Atlantis kit I've ever had. Kit number H1029, if you want to look it up. You go to that website right there. Get it opened up, see what we got. Oh wow. Look at this. It's all packaged in one package. Here's our decals. It's Oregon Chief. Gasoline Oregon Chief. Got a couple of round decals with the Chief head in them. This gas truck. I don't know what this says. Freehoff. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Those four little ones right in the middle. There's no print date on this, so I guess that's that. No, wait, it says 2024 right there. Your instruction manual is gloss. I've never had a gloss one before. You see the shine on it. There's your instruction manual. Got your engine assembly first, going right into the frame. Then it's got the tire and wheel assembly. It's a small kit, so I did not expect it to be anything too involved. Then on the back here, you got your tanker assembly onto the cab. Yeah, it's like pretty easy, simple instructions. Get this opened up. Alright, so we're getting everything out of the package here. We have very minimal parts that are broken off. We've got the glass that is broken off. We have a ladder that is broken off. We'll put the glass back in its package, roll it all up. That way there, well, the tires are plastic, I can see, so they're going to have tire burn. We have 1, 2, 3. I guess I can get this out of the way. 4 parts trees. Plus the sides and the top of the tanker. It looks like the back bumper has come loose. Alright, so we'll go over we got the undercarriage, which is a very tiny undercarriage for the cab. We've got your engine assembly, and it looks like 4 tire assemblies. You've got whatever this part is. I have no clue. And here we've got the gas pipes, some axles. It looks like probably the pieces that hold the axles on. You got a steering wheel here. Looks like probably a battery. I don't know what this is. This looks like some sort of fire. Well, no, that's the front of the truck. That's the front of the cab. Sorry about that. This is your fan and looks like your radiator assembly. More tires up in the top there. Looks like a spare tire. Then we'll go over. You got your tanker portion. And then the top of the tanker, which is nicely detailed out. Got all your caps or whatever you call them. I don't drive truck, so bear with me. Then this just sits together like this. Well, there's still a part of the parts tree where it was molded, so it's not going to go fully together, but that's a good look at what you got. Okay, so this is starting to come loose. You got, looks like exhaust, part of the rear end, one of the people figurines, both of the sides of the cab, the top of the cab. You got your clearance lights here. This is a wonderful kit. I highly recommend it based off from what I'm seeing right here. I've never tried to assemble it, but it seems like a very nice kit so far. I'm not seeing much flash at all, really none. So it seems like it's very well molded. From what I'm seeing, it should go together very well. There's no flash or anything like that. And for our final tree, we have our interior seats. I don't know what this is. Actually, this might be the warning sign, your advanced warning sign. This looks like some sort of roller. It may be part of like on the truck that delivers to my house. It's got like a roller with a thing that the hose rides in. And that's probably what this is right here. The protector for the motor mechanism for, it's a long reach across this table. I forgot how much this is not comfortable. Got your front end here, I believe, your front suspension assembly. Got your other delivery guy. And your last set of tires. This seems like a really nice kit. I haven't seen any, like I said, I haven't seen any flash on it. Again, it's the Atlantis Oregon Chief gasoline truck. It's 1/48 scale. And I think it's, from what I've seen so far, it's definitely worth, taking a look at yourself. Oh, that's what this is. This is the drop gear for the, I don't know if I'm not a trucker. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what this is right here. So it holds the tanker portion up if you take it off the cab. So Like I said, I don't know if I'm saying this right. I'm not a trucker, so you'll have to bear with me. But appreciate everyone who's followed along to the end. If you have, thank you. Uh, give me a like and share the channel or share the video. I would appreciate it if you haven't subscribed yet. If you do, we've picked up a bunch of new subscribers recently, and that's very nice. Um, Channel's starting to get a lot of support, and that's encouraging. It's always encouraging to have that. Until we see each other again, everyone out there be safe, everyone be blessed, and thank you for watching.